Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to find out if it is possible to apply transparent color to fonts and text on Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started. Alright guys, so right from the get-go there is no built-in feature to use transparent colors for the font, but there are two ways how we can get close to it. So let me show you option number one. So let's navigate to this example document on Google Sheets, and what you want to do is change the color of the font and make it look almost as or close as the background color. So double click into the text or font, navigate to the text color, and then use the color picker here, right? And then what you want to do is click into the background of the text box, and that is going to, as you can see, apply the same color of the font will have the same color as the background. So if you can use that method, but of course you can always highlight the text again, navigate to the text color and use a more fading color, like for example, I don't know, if you don't want to use that strong dark green here, you can, for example, apply a light green color like this, right? So it would look like that. So that's the second option. And there's also option number three, actually, if I think about it. What you can do is, for example, is use the drawing tool by navigating to Insert, click into Drawing, select the text box tool here, draw a text box, and then make sure that the fill color here is transparent, and then enter your text. Right. For example, click into Save and Close, and that is going to keep the background here, at least the background transparent of the text. And so that's option number three. There's no other option unless you use extensions from the Google or Chrome web store, but that's up to you guys. There's no other option here inside Google Sheets itself in 2026. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.